Hello friends, this is TechLanders and I'm back with an amazing video. If you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we'll be talking about battery statistics for our laptops. Most of the time, we use our laptops for various tasks and with various applications. So what happens is that when we switch over from one application to the another or use our laptop for various purposes, there's a change in the battery usage statistics of the laptop. So in order to track or analyze the battery report, we can generate a battery report so as to get an idea about the draining of the battery. So let's get started. First of all, we have to open the command prompt. For that, you can open the start menu and type cmd. In this, you have to type powercfg space slash battery report and press on enter. After pressing on enter, it is showing that the battery life report is saved to the user directory in the C drive. So we'll go to that folder. This is the C drive, the users directory, and down here we can see this battery.report.html. So this is the file which is the battery report. For me, it will open in Google Chrome. So I'll open it. First here, it will show you the battery capacity, the design capacity and the current capacity of the battery after the number of cycles you have used. Then here you will see the statistics for the last 3 days, like when your laptop was plugged in to the charger and when it was left on battery. Here you will see the chart for the battery statistics. And down here you can see the battery statistics over the longer horizon. So you can use this statistics in order to analyze which application take more juice of your battery and switch over to applications which are more efficient or which perform much more better than the previous applications. So if this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you. Jai Hind.